Let's make Kurkuri Bhindi or Okra. Wash them. Now dry with kitchen towel. Now cut the lady finger from the top and the bottom and make slits either in 2 or 4 depending on the size, like this. Like this. Let's prepare bhindi masala. 3 tablespoon gram flour, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, half teaspoon haldi, 1 and a half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon amchur powder, 1 and a half teaspoon salt. Add bhindi in bowl. Mix the masala. Now add in this bhindi. Now mix it nicely. 2 and a half tablespoon oil. Mix it nicely now. Now air fryer at 180 degree for 15 to 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, just give a quick mix. And now air fry for last 10 minutes. And Kurkuri Bhindi is ready.